What's up? Hey, Doug here, USASynthetics.com, hanging out underneath the 2016 Ford Transit, where we're about to go back in with the Amsoil Gear 7590 and the Easy Pack bag. I gotta admit, the first time I've done this, many of the shops that I work with, many of you customers out there, thank you. You've been sending me some really cool videos. The first time that I've actually used the bags, I'm pretty stoked. Bought this Transit a couple months ago. It's been driving me crazy to not have all the fluids changed over at once. So I wanted to change engine oil, transmission fluid, gear lube, do it one thing at a time. That way I can see what benefit I may get and document the whole process. So it's time for the rear diff. But you can see we've got the tube in here evacuating the old fluid, which is probably the original fluid, the Motorcraft 7590. I'm going to turn this thing off because this deal here is just making way too much noise. So we'll do that and just going to take the air away from it. Whew, that's so much quieter. That thing makes a ton of noise. Don't really know where that goes, but fortunately Mikey hooked that up for me so that I could get all the fluid out, because this particular Ford diff has one port right here. It doesn't have a drain plug on the bottom of the diff, so everything's got to come out. Oh, let me back up here. Everything's got to come out from here and go back in from there. So turn this back around where you can see what's going on. I think you can see the differential there. Yep. So Easy Pack. I've already taken the cap off of this one. Now this thing takes just right at 3 quarts. So you cut that, put the bag in here. Okay, now this stinks. I got to put the freaking readers on because I got to make sure that I can see if fluid's coming out. I don't think anything's going to come out on this first bag. But there we have it. One bag going in. Should have brought a light, don't you think? And I should have probably done this time lapse so that you wouldn't have to just wait while I'm pumping fluid into the diff. And as a matter of fact, I think that's what I'm going to do. We will time lapse the rest of it and come back to this in a few minutes. So, but super freaking easy. No pumps, no hoses, no 3 hands. I mean, I could really do it. I could do it one-handed. You know, it's easier to control it with 2 hands working. But yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to shoot the rest of this time lapse, and then I'll upload that, and we'll come back when we button it up, which the drain plug is right over here. There for a second I thought, oh crap, where's the drain plug? There you go. Let me zoom in on that. Ooh, yes. Yeah, that's definitely the original fluid from when this was built. So, stay tuned. We'll finish this up in a few minutes.